Tony, what do we got going on here?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure? Looks like a whole bunch of something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? I don't know about that. Tune up Tony time. Once again.
Oh, fuck. Did I wash it? Yeah. It's all good.
So I started a series on YouTube. Right? It's called the Tune Up Tony Show. It's on YouTube. I got
Don't put it on YouTube, though. Okay.
I'm gonna put it on so I can
Everybody,
pound that booty too.
everybody right there, fucking into my business.
Your business is making business.
All right. That's all good. All right. One more time, we'll move
I
some load there.
stopped at this guy's house to sell a cell phone. I went in.
Yeah.
About 10 minutes, and I came out, my car was gone.